Okay guys, our Range Rover is on the lift. Let's inspect the damage underneath. Doesn't look bad. I see a couple things like this. This is like a protective case for the cables. It's bent and broken. So I gotta get that. You see over here a gas tank. The bottom of the gas tank was hit. There's like also a metal protective case. Gonna get that as well. A little damage to the muffler. What else? Oh, the plastic piece on the other side is good. This side is missing, it's broken. So I gotta get that, but all that stuff shouldn't be too expensive. And oh, the cat is a little bent. It's hot. So yeah, looks like it hit something underneath, right? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hit something, damaged the suspension, and that's why it was total. Oh, when I see this little bracket here, it's touching the exhaust. Aluminum bracket. Gotta get that too. Are you trying to see where the radiator fits? The little radiator?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I can see on the other side of the bracket.
Alright, so we'll keep working on this thing. What's going on, guys? So I have some big news for you. Our Range Rover project is finally finished. So I just wanted to jump on the video real quick. And I know we posted the last part about 3 months ago. It's been a long time, but you know, I know I have to step up my game producing video and content, but sometimes we get so busy over here at Eurotech, you know, rebuilding these cars, finding these cars, buying these cars, looking for parts, you know, fixing them, that we just don't have any time to like film videos and edit videos, and we don't really have a dedicated person for that, which I know we should get, but for now it's all me doing all the documenting, so sometimes it gets a little bit behind, but yeah, so our Range Rover project is finally ready. I didn't really film the process of getting the bodywork done, but we brought it to our friend Victor as usual, and he did an amazing job, which you will see in a couple seconds. We did have some issues which actually delayed the project after we changed the suspension. You know, it took a while to get some parts, and then after we did the suspension, we realized that the spindle was also damaged. It was bent, so the wheel was a little bit out of place and it couldn't be aligned. So I had to get another spindle, which took another week or two, because I didn't want to spend like $800–900 at the dealer. So I finally found a used one which was in good shape and saved me like $400–500. So we got the spindle, we did everything. Then it was not easy to get body parts. Also, I had to look for bumper, I had to look for some other stuff, you know, all the small things. They actually, you know, take a long time sometimes, but finally we were able to get everything done, and now our Range Rover is finally ready, and you're gonna see how it looks like just about right now. What's going on, guys? I'm super pumped right now. You know why? Because our Range Rover is finally ready, guys. I can't believe it, but as you can see, the beast is alive. I know it took way longer than we thought, but check this out, guys. Walk around, Senor, show them the car. If you remember the damage, the fender was damaged, the suspension, front bumper, the moldings were missing, and now the car looks like new, guys. Our friend Victor did an amazing job on the bodywork. This car looks absolutely sick. Take a look inside. This thing is just beautiful, guys. My friend Vadim said that this is the best car he ever drove. And we're about to find out. I'm actually about to drive this thing and see how it feels, guys. I hope you're excited as much as I am. This thing has 500 horsepower. So just to recap, let's see in the front. So the main damage was on the front bumper. As you can see, these little things are still missing. It's just, this guy Victor is, you know, for 2 weeks he promises me that he's gonna paint them for me, but it's been 2 weeks, and this little part of the fender liner is still not installed. But other than that, everything is set. We had some issues with the suspension, you know, the spindle was bent. After we put all the arms, turned out the spindle is bad, so we had to get the spindle. So it was, you know, it was a lot of work, but it turned out nice. Hopefully it's gonna be a winner for us. All right, so let's drive it and see how it feels, and see if this car is really worth $40,000 that we're asking for it right now. All right, guys, ready to start this thing? Oh, the sound is just sick. It's an 8-cylinder turbocharged engine with 500 horsepower, man. I think the X5 I drove with the V8 had like 400 horsepower. This thing has 100 more. All right, let's see. Oh shit! Woo! Wow, man. This is amazing. I can't believe this pickup is such a big car. It's just crazy, man. It feels like a small car, but at the same time it feels like it's very solid, you know. It's like, it feels like you drive like a heavy, well-built car. It's awesome. Oh man, this thing has only 25,000 miles, guys. No lights on the dash, I mean no warning lights, everything works fine, it looks like. The pickup is just insane, guys, I'm telling you. I don't want to drive it too fast over here because it's, you know, I don't want to get a ticket, but you can't drive this car slow. It's too crazy. Yeah, man. Now I know what you were talking about when you said it's like one of the best cars you ever drove. Amazing. It has nice cooled seats, cooled and heated seats. And I love the sound, you know. Oh man, this thing is fast. I never drove a Range Rover before. This is my first time, and let me tell you guys, it's impressive. It's impressive. All right, cool, very nice. Have a great day, guys, and never lease a car again. Buy a salvage car, rebuild it, save a lot of money. This truck, we probably saved at least 25,000. You know, even after all the work that we did, everything that, it was more work than we expected, but still was well worth it, guys. We got a nice car. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna show more details about how we do what we do. Subscribe to our channel and have fun, guys. Life is too short to drive boring cars. Peace.